Hello. Hmm. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, people. We're gonna start the stream. Gonna put some music here. Whereas we were saying last week, I was actually building the level 2 surface spaceship, and today we are gonna try to keep on building, especially the background, and I'm gonna show you how we have made the little shadow that appears on the monkey, and probably the background also. Apparently the music is okay and everything. We need to see. We need to tie. Okay, I'm gonna start playing a little bit the game. Maybe in maximize. Yeah, I'm gonna maximize. Blah, blah, blah. Nay. Good. Got the game at 720p. Okay. As you can see now, the background windows are going accordingly to the floor. You can see here how there's a shadow appearing every time that the monkey goes to the ground. That will give us a kind of 3D effect, obviously fake 3D, but you know what I mean. Then we need to try the super speed to see if actually everything works okay. You can see also 2 planets on the background. That's because I just clone the object, and there we are gonna put the city backgrounds. The shield on? Jesus. I have no shield anymore. I just discovered a little error. Can we keep going? Okay. Let me see. I have prepared already the graphics, I think, over here. So this is the reference image that our artist got us, and then you can see that we have here nice arcs that they will appear on the game from time to time to give the sensation that you're actually going through kind of road or the surface of the Star Fortress. Then what we need to make sure is that they appear in a ratio that doesn't fit here, doesn't end here, and needs to end in the middle of the this baseboard thingy. But then now that I think about it, probably what I would do is I'm gonna take the city background down and I'm gonna put it as a planet, and then we will see how the parallax effect in the background works somehow. I'm gonna do so. So the first thing we are gonna do is I'm gonna import the textures to our project. Probably I have everything on here already here. Yeah. Of course, the problem for this is like we need to check the compression rates. And I think this, let me see, yeah, this one could look good on the background, but this amount of memory is totally unacceptable. So we are gonna re-import the graphic, because we have a size of 2048 and we might be able to resize it. Of course this 2048 will be high resolution, and even though this what I'm dealing with right now, it's a Windows Store apps version, so it's gonna run on desktops and hopefully also on Surface computers, I mean tablets. Hopefully. No, but the thing is that we need to compile for ARM and not for x86 system. That's another point. I'm not gonna talk about that because even it's not interesting for the moment. Okay, I change the max size, then I'm gonna apply the filter is okay, yeah. Pixels per unit 100, yes. Single mode, it's a sprite. So we apply. See the magics of the DXT5 compression, and as you can see, now we have almost 1 mega. That would mean the quality is being reduced a little bit, I mean the resolution, since we are targeting sort of 720p, that would be okay. So if we go to our scene, we start looking in the level generator for a level obstacles, background container. We have the space layer, which is a space, deep space in this case, yes. The planet layer, that according to our designs probably should be there as well. And then the city layer. First of all, I have the planet here clone again, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I'm gonna correct this is a prefab, that's why it's bluish. Probably you cannot see it on the screen, but trust me, it's blue. So we are gonna break the prefab instance. It's a Unity way of saving stuff in a kind of pre-made object. And we have here this object that is planet. I'm gonna change it to, for example, city town, which is the name also of this texture that we are gonna do. We have a transform and we have the sprite render. The only thing that we need to do is change the sprite in itself, because the material is a sprite defaults and probably the sorted layer is gonna be okay. The planet is also in the same layer, and what we want is to have the city background to appear in front of the planet. The planet is really on the back. So we put 3. That's the order on the layer. We have our texture, we change it. Of course it's gonna appear huge. And we don't want that. What we want is something that it looks like this. So it has to be big, but not huge. Okay, first of all, you can scale it down. Well, I'm gonna do it by number. Maybe it might be easier. 0.3, 0.3, and the set is not important because we are in 2D. Good. Very good. We can center this, we can remove the hanger. Yes. We can hit play to have a better overview of everything. I'm gonna remove the maximize and play, then I can see it looks a little bit empty, and also you can see the bottom, so it's good. Move it slightly down, probably like this, just to fit the size. Yeah. Annoying shooters. The blue ones are really annoying. Of course, the speed of the background is actually now the same than the planet, and we don't want that because the planet is way more far away in distance than the city. So to create this kind of parallax effect, we need to change the values, these attributes for the movie layer. But I'm just realizing that we might need to create another city layer to create two speeds, because this background, it's going to be at a certain distance, so we have other buildings closer to it. So we need to change that as well. Change the name just to be sure that I don't forget later on. And if the planet is already 0.05, what we can do is to make it faster with like 0.15. Whoa. Then we need to, let me see one thingy.